Oh, hiccup.
Oh, and spit up.
Oh. Got it.
Oh, spitting up.
He's got hiccups bad. Is this appropriate to use?
Probably fine.
We don't have anything else, do we? Maybe like a little towel that we can use?
No, I think that'll be fine. I don't know why his hiccups are so bad. You want
What
to
do
go
you
rinse that out or something?
What are you supposed to do with this? I mean, like, once you have the snot sucked up in it,
I think you're doing
you're
fine.
supposed to, I'm just shooting it. Like, that's a huge change from earlier when we had him. He was freaked out.